You did the work. You got the degree. But now you're asking, why am I stuck? You spent years and tens of thousands of pounds just to find out your education didn't equip you for the real job market. The truth? Traditional learning is loaded with theory. Meanwhile, the industry is revolutionizing with AI, machine learning, and cutting-edge software. There's a massive gap, and employers aren't just looking for knowledge, they're desperate for practical skills. That's where TaxCare Academy comes in. We bridge that gap. We don't just teach accounting, we teach job-ready expertise. We're making success accessible and affordable. Our courses are built around real job simulations. You'll be a pro in software like Xero and QuickBooks before you even apply. You get flexible, practical training from basic bookkeeping to advanced accounting, plus valuable CPD points to boost your credentials. And our support doesn't end when the course does. We provide CV help, job hunting tips, and interview prep. Don't let outdated education hold back your career. Stop feeling stuck. Start your journey to becoming a pro UK accountant. Visit our website now, enroll today, and take the first step toward a successful, fulfilling career in accounting and bookkeeping.